Just got the garage door finished. Got the spring on. I would tell you how to do it, but there's actually some professional videos out there that tell you how to put in a door, and they'll probably tell you all of the safety features, more than likely, because I had to watch them. So, but it lifts up nice and easy. I'm real happy with it. Real happy with the way it turned out. And I'll slide it back down. I probably need to grease it. And I don't even know if you're supposed to do that, but it comes down, doesn't slam, comes down nice. Perfect.